Hello sewing enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. If you're on the lookout for a sewing machine that blends versatility, power, and precision without taking over your entire craft room, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best sewing and quilting machines models that bring pro-level stitching into the comfort of your home. Whether you're a beginner taking your first stitches, a seasoned quilter looking for advanced features, or a hobbyist who needs a reliable feature-rich machine, we've got something on this list for you. We've included links to each machine in the description below, so if one catches your eye, feel free to check it out. Alright, let's jump right in and start with number 5. Ready? Let's go! Number 5, Juki HZL-F600. At number 5, we have the Juki HZL-F600, a full-size computerized sewing and quilting machine that's ideal for those who want more flexibility, advanced features, and room to grow, all while keeping things simple and approachable. Whether you're a seasoned quilter or a passionate home sewer looking to take your projects to the next level, this machine offers the tools you need to do just that. The HZL-F600 comes packed with an impressive selection of 225 stitch patterns, including a variety of decorative stitches, utility stitches, and alphabet options. This opens up a world of creative possibilities, whether you're embellishing a quilt, hemming denim jeans, crafting home decor, or adding custom monograms to gifts and projects. The alphabet stitches in particular are a fun addition for personalizing items with names or initials. What really sets this model apart is its large, extended sewing table. The extra workspace is a game changer for handling bulky projects like quilts, bed covers, or long drapery panels. Combined with the dual LED lighting, you get a bright, clear view of your work area, so you can sew comfortably day or night without eye strain. Performance-wise, the box feed system and powerful motor work together to ensure even fabric feeding and consistent stitch quality across different materials. Whether you're working with delicate silks or heavy layers of denim, the machine keeps everything smooth and precise. User-friendly features like automatic thread trimming, a customizable foot control, and one-touch needle-up-down functions help streamline your workflow so you can spend more time creating and less time adjusting settings. If you want high-end sewing and quilting capabilities that remain easy to use, the Juki HZL-F600 is well worth considering. Number 4, Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. Coming in next is the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, a feature-packed machine that appeals to both advanced users and ambitious beginners wanting to explore the world of creative sewing. The Quantum Stylist 9960 shines with its 600 built-in stitches, including 13 buttonhole styles, 5 different fonts, and an impressive range of decorative and utility stitches. The large stitch selection means you'll never feel limited, whether you're crafting garments, home decor, or intricate quilting patterns. This machine features a one-touch stitch selection panel with a bright LCD screen, making stitch selection and adjustment easy and intuitive. It also features mirror imaging and stitch elongation, so you can customize designs without complex programming. The included extension table gives you ample space for handling larger quilting projects or bulky fabrics, while the automatic thread cutter and needle threader help speed up the process and reduce setup time. Another standout is the adjustable speed control, which is especially useful for beginners or for delicate precision work. Combined with the machine's heavy-duty metal frame, it stays steady even at higher speeds, ensuring skip-free stitching. Overall, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 offers incredible creative freedom, a wide range of stitches, and user-friendly controls, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking advanced features in an accessible package. Number 3, Janome MC6650. Next on the list is the Janome MC6650, a powerful sewing and quilting machine built for hobbyists and professionals who want reliable performance, speed, and precision in one solid package. If you're after a machine that can handle a wide range of projects while staying easy to use, this model is well worth a look. The MC6650 offers 170 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and heirloom options, along with 2 alphabets. This gives you plenty of variety for tackling everything from basic sewing to detailed quilting and embroidery style work. The one-push needle plate system makes it simple to switch plates when moving between fabrics or techniques, saving you time and effort. One of the key strengths of this machine is its speed and workspace. It can sew at up to 1,000 stitches per minute and features features a large 10-inch flatbed. This makes it ideal for larger projects like quilts, curtains, and layered fabrics. The sturdy all-metal construction keeps the machine stable, and the bright LED lights ensure you can see your work clearly. Helpful features like the memorized needle up or down setting, start and stop button, and easy-to-reach controls make sewing more efficient and comfortable. Whether you are working with denim, canvas, or fine fabric, the MC6650 delivers smooth, clean stitching without skipping or bunching. If you need a machine that combines strength, speed, and ease of use, the Janome MC6650 is a smart choice. It's a model that can keep up as your sewing skills and projects grow. Number 2, Singer Heavy Duty 4423. If durability and power are at the top of your list, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is a machine worth considering. Built with a strong metal frame and a powerful motor, it's designed to handle tough jobs without breaking a sweat. The 4423 offers 97 stitch applications, including basic stretch decorative stitches and a one-step buttonhole. While it may not have as many stitches as some computerized models, what it offers is reliable high-speed performance where it matters most. One of its defining traits is its sewing speed of 1100 stitches per minute, making it one of the fastest machines in its class. Whether you're hemming jeans, sewing canvas, or working with multiple fabric layers, this machine operates efficiently. It comes with an automatic needle threader, a top drop-in bobbin system with a clear cover, and adjustable presser foot pressure, all features designed to make sewing easier and more efficient. The accessory kit includes all the essential feet and tools you'll need to get started, from a zipper foot to an all-purpose foot, plus extras like needles, bobbins, and a seam ripper. If you're looking for a machine that combines simplicity, power, and reliability, especially for heavy fabrics or larger projects, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is hard to beat. Number 1, Brother CS7000X. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Brother CS7000X, a machine that combines user-friendliness, smart features, and a design that's perfect for both beginners and intermediate sewers. The CS7000X offers 70 built-in stitches, including quilting, decorative, heirloom, and utility stitches. It gives you enough variety to tackle a range of sewing and quilting projects while keeping things manageable for users who don't want to scroll through hundreds of options. The LCD screen makes stitch selection simple, with clear navigation and settings at your fingertips. Beginners will appreciate the automatic needle threader and the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, both of which help eliminate the frustration of setup and allow you to get started faster. What really sets this sewing machine apart is the included wide table, which offers extra space for managing quilts or larger fabrics, and the 10 included sewing feet from walking foot to quilting foot, giving you the tools you need right out of the box. Despite its lightweight, compact build, the CS7000X is surprisingly sturdy and delivers smooth, even stitching across various fabric types. The machine also features an adjustable sewing speed control, ideal for practicing precision or slowing down when needed. With a hard protective case included, it's easy to store or transport, making it an excellent choice for small spaces, classes, or sewing groups. In short, the Brothers CS7000X offers an excellent balance of features, ease of use, and thoughtful extras, making it a standout choice for sewers who want a machine that can grow with them. That brings us to the end of our roundup of the top 5 sewing and quilting machines. Each machine we've covered offers a thoughtful balance of features designed to suit a range of sewing needs. From high-speed performance to advanced quilting options, these models give you plenty of ways to bring your projects to life with precision and ease. Whether you're just starting out and want a reliable, user-friendly machine, or you're more experienced and looking for advanced functions, there's something here that can match your style. These machines are built to handle everything from basic repairs to detailed quilting and creative design work, so you can choose with confidence. Take a moment to explore the links in the description for more details on each model's key features and specifications. They'll help you make a well-informed decision for your next sewing companion.